Ну что, народ? Я надеюсь, мы сегодня что-нибудь поснимаем. Какую движуху. Погодка хорошая, конечно. Но ветерочек имеется. Наконец-то нормальные взрослые склоны. И вот эти ваши новинки. Просто что такое там вообще творится? Там обрыв вообще ебейший должен быть. Вот ветер. Ветер вообще лютый.
Tell me why we go to war, too many guys. Tell me what we praying for, too many guys. Feel like things will never change, I swear to God. Sometimes I wonder if God ever prays for me. Tell me why we go to war, too many guys. Tell me what we praying for, too many guys. Feel like things will never change, I swear to God. Sometimes I wonder if God ever prays for me. It's just too many laws.
Чуть-чуть едем. Каждый раз, как первый раз тащим. Ребятки, это, конечно, топ. Народу нету. Хорошо. Единственное, еще ветер. Без маски не особо. А так я вообще кайфую просто. Я всегда теперь буду в будни гонять. Это просто. Подъемники просто свободные. Очередей нет. Такая красота. Просто. Все едет. Все катится. Кайфуем, в общем.
I woke up a king in a peasant body. Killed my pride, I felt less embodied. Still inside, writing papers, flying ravens with a message by me. On my knees like I'm rectifying, hand on my heart like I'm testifying. Want the beef, I go prime on you. Fuck a king, I turn God on you. Tell me why we go to war, too many guys. Tell me what we praying for, too many guys. Feel like things will never change, I swear to God. Sometimes I wonder if God ever prays for me. Tell me why we go to war, too many guys. Tell me what we praying for, too many guys. Feel like things will never change, I swear to God. Sometimes I wonder if God ever prays for me. Head start, so short, take his head apart. Ready for war, I grew up with soldiers like Messi. Dragging my name in the dirt and I bury him. Playing with fire, but I know Targaryen. Tie your wolves with me, these ain't no Siberian. Who's a king to a god, ain't no comparing them. With the flow hard and Valyrian steel. Nobody move for somebody get killed. I got a pole in my screw with his head. Look in his eyes, said he knew he was dead. This ain't no dulling bit, but it be shit. I paid the guy, but who paid for the kid? Life is too short to be living in fear, especially when you know winter is here. Tell me why we go to war, too many guys. Tell me what we praying for, too many guys. Feel like things will never change, I swear to God. Sometimes I wonder if God ever prays for me.
Ну хочется мне так сделать. Снегу въебал. Что поделать?